Hello, my name is Alison Fung, and today I'll be talking about a project I've been working on with Ruth Simmons, Simone Lillevoice, and Aya Gil-Edmuth called the Polyculture Crop Systems for Space Life Support via Simulation. Sustainable and long-term food production systems containing genetically diverse crops are necessary to establish a more permanent human presence in space. Polycultural plant systems have been known for decades to be a method for enhancing plant nutrition, increasing total yield, increasing system stability, and reducing the risk of crop failure. Despite its demonstrated success in promoting high biomass on Earth, polyculture interactions between high crop readiness level plants have yet to be explored in the context of advanced life support systems. This research is vital for ensuring proper nutrition, improving overall crew mental well-being, and optimizing oxygen and carbon dioxide cycling through bioregenerative life support systems. BioSim, an integrated simulation of an advanced life support system developed at NASA's Johnson Space Center with Track Labs, presents a solution investigating different combinations of plants in a spaceflight environment without compromising safety, cost, or ethics. The unique properties of 9 crops are modeled and can be planted in any ratio. Plants in the simulation can react to natural or programmed environmental malfunctions such as water deficiency, light and heat overload, and declining CO2 levels, leading to anything from reduced growth rates to plant death. We begin to use BioSim to run iterative simulations in parallel of different polyculture combinations to determine compatible light, water, and nutrition profiles to produce the best crop output. BioSim provides a valuable testbed for integrated control research featuring sensors and actuators, as well as a controllable stochastic intensity and system malfunctions. Configurable life support parameters incorporated in the software include, among others, crop selection and crop area in a controlled plant growth system converting water, power, and CO2 into food biomass and oxygen. So why polycultures? On Earth, polycultures mimic natural ecosystems as they increase biodiversity, reducing pests, and make better use of nutrients and space. Some examples include nutrient cycling, where different plants use and release different nutrients. For example, legumes can fix nitrogen, which supports the growth of leafy greens. In a closed-loop system on a space station, this reduces the need for artificial fertilizers and makes the whole system more sustainable. Monoculture systems also tend to be fairly unstable and susceptible to pathogens. Polycultures add resilience. If one species fails, others can provide food and oxygen. This kind of biological backup is critical in a high-risk environment of space. A polyculture system can supply a more varied diet, which improves both health and morale. Eating only lettuce and potatoes for a month would be nutritionally and emotionally draining. Using BioSim, we are able to simulate the use of different polycultures through varying planting and harvesting schedules and manage them dynamically. This allows simulation of polyculture strategies, exploring how intercropping or crop diversity impact research cycling and system stability, and BioSim allows stress testing for polyculture systems under failure modes, assessing their robustness and adaptability in ways that monocultures might not match. The biomass crop module simulates plant growth and models that consume CO2, water, and light and produce oxygen and harvestable biomass. Although early versions of the simulation only modeled wheat, the structure now supports multiple crop types, up to 9, each with unique resource production, consumption profiles, and scheduling controls. We're still in the process of getting results through the simulation and hope to present at ASGSR in December. Thank you for listening to my talk about simulating polycultures using BioSim.